Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how many times I can get out of that glare. I can sneeze. Get over here. Oh, I got one. No, that was just a fake one. I'm kidding. I'll actually tell you when I get one. Get back when I get one. Oh man, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed our video. See you next time. Bye.